This is water from Antarctica, and I want to show you how I drank this for 30 days and completely got rid of my IBS, Crohn's, and colitis. Now, guys, if you can't tell, I'm being extremely sarcastic because I have seen tons of people drink all sorts of types of water, even diluted seawater. I've seen seawater therapy, reverse osmosis. I have a special shop in town where they filter the water through pearls and copper and all sorts of different types of minerals. Very cool, but not effective for treating IBS, Crohn's, and colitis because it doesn't get to the root cause. And I'm going to share with you in this video the root cause of your IBS, Crohn's, and colitis, and how water plays into this, because I know I have quite a few students who are allergic to water. Yes, they're allergic to that thing that they're 80%, 70% made of, water. Now, guys, when you hear that little voice in your head that says, "Oh my God, was that water in plastic? Oh my God," grab that, grab him. This is the motion I want you to make. I want you to go like this. You're grabbing this little nerd by its neck. I'm a nerd and dork myself, but this little oh my God, this food's so dangerous. Grab them by the neck and throw them off your shoulder. And preferably into something hard, something jagged, so it doesn't get back up. And then I want you to say to yourself, this water is safe. I don't care if it's from plastic, it's safe. It's okay if it's in plastic. It's okay if it's in glass. It's okay if it's not reverse osmosis. This water is safe. I recommend you drink, the highest quality water that you have available to, but don't break your back overdoing this stuff. Just get like any water filter and you'll be fine. Look in your life. There's people who drink tap water and they're absolutely fine. They don't have any digestive issues. And then, what about you? For your example, let's use you as an example. Did you see any results from switching your water? If water was causing your digestive issues, your IBS, Crohn's, and colitis, simply switching the water would have fixed your condition. And that just simply is not true. But what is true is it starts in the psyche. It starts in our thoughts. We are experiencing something in our life as indigestible. A lot of you experience this. Some of you, it's a very small few, experience the water as indigestible. They had water once upon a time and they got digestive issues proceeded right afterwards, and now they think, oh my God, every time I have water, I'm gonna have digestive issues. And they're scared poopless of it. We need to perceive water and all other foods as safe, even junk foods. Yes, it is so powerful, guys. It is so powerful to do this. But to help you guys understand what is going on, all of our organs were developed for a very specific survival purpose. They help us survive. So when we're exposed to a stressful situation, a conflict shock, our body, our brain is going to go, our psyche is going to go, oh my God, this person, we need help, we're going to die, we need help. And it's going to put an organ into overdrive to help us overcome this conflict shock. And now, what does the digestive system do? It helps us digest things, and it's controlled by the brainstem, the oldest part of the brain. Oh, you need help? It doesn't know the difference between food and things in your life. I can't stomach this. This person makes me sick to my stomach. This company makes me sick to my stomach. I can't believe they treat their customers like this. I can't believe the world's like this. What your gut is going to eventually do is go, oh, you need help digesting this, and build extra gut cells. When you're conflict active, you're gonna build extra gut cells, and when this conflict gets resolved, maybe you don't have to deal with this company anymore. Maybe you get out of a relationship. Maybe the relationship goes from bad to good. This is when your body says, I don't need these gut cells anymore, and it starts to get rid of them. And when we develop IBS, Crohn's, and colitis, we're just constantly going back and forth between conflict active and the healing phase. And there's another number of reasons for that, but they're all emotional for the most part. They're pretty much all emotional, guys. And I want to show you guys how to get rid of this. I have a video after this. It's about an hour long. Shows you exactly what I did and what some of my students did to get rid of their digestive issues. But if you want to work inside my Rapid Gut Healing program, it's only 25 bucks a month. Comes with tons of videos, a Facebook group where I answer all your questions. I have another coach in there that will answer all your questions, and we do live Q&As twice a week. I've literally seen people gain 20 pounds in under a month just by using these just by resolving the emotional issues. And like, they literally eat whatever they want. They're not on boring diets at all. They literally eat whatever they want. Yeah, guys, that's go down in the comments below if recommend future videos. I'm going to be doing a video a day, so I'm going to need lots of video ideas. I think I'm going to do dermatitis. I'm going to do dermatitis and eczema issues tomorrow. And yeah, leave a comment. I'll answer it. It really helps us out on the channel and the YouTube algorithm. Also, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also the notification bell, because I'm going to be making videos every single day, guys. I know I'm repetitive in these videos. I say the same thing over and over and over and over and over again. But in the modern world, you are being bombarded with the wrong information over and over and over and over again. So I want to make sure this is the one place where you can get correct information on the proper things for you to do to get better. So guys, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.